These are moral codes that martial arts live by. Each style has its own way of developing a person's character with a strict moral code. There's nothing else out there that does that. I don't know of any sport or club, apart from things like the Scouts, which I think are very aligned to us, that have such a focus on traditional values. And I believe that all of you are here today because we all share that same ethos. We all share the importance of courtesy, integrity, perseverance, indomitable spirit, self-control. These things are so important to us as parents. We want to pass them to our children, and that's something we're very collective about, I feel. You look at each martial art. You look at taekwondo, it's got the 5 tenets of taekwondo. You look at kung fu, it's got the Wu Dai. These are moral codes that martial arts live by. Each style has its own way of developing a person's character with a strict moral code. There's nothing else out there that does that. And that's really inbuilt into what we do. When you go downstairs, there's a class downstairs right now. The second the instructor walks in, they bow when they walk in. They call each other sir, miss, mum. There's handshakes. There's bowing to each other. We bow in between class. We ask students why we bow. They'll all tell you we bow to show respect. Good, well done, guys. You've been listening in class. Good. So there's that underlying feeling of respect, and it's moral values, and that's traditional values that martial arts have.